everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. It has been a hot minute since I filmed a video. I think it's been at least 3 weeks. So far behind that this is actually April's Glossybox, but I figured I'd still film it and let you guys see what's inside. So let's get into it. So this is a monthly subscription. It's $25 a month US. Yeah, and a lot of times it comes in a fancy box, but this is just a standard pink box. And this is what it looks like. And the theme is Woke Up in Spring. And then on the inside will tell us everything we got and the value. So this will have a combination of full size and deluxe sample sizes. So it comes beautifully packaged. And let's see what our first thing is. Alright, so that's what the box looks like. It looks like it's quite full. Alright, and the first thing is this giant squeezy tube from Freeman. French pink clay, peel off mask for pore clearing. I love peel off masks. It's just so satisfying. So boost your skin care routine with this peel off mask. French pink clay removes impurities and detoxifies pores, leaving a smooth and glowing complexion, perfect for normal to combination skin. And I have really large pores, so anything that clears them out is lovely for me. It's quite a nice size too as well. How much is it? 6 ounces or 175 mils. Oh, doesn't have a safety seal on it. So that is what it looks like. Smells really nice as well. So that was our first item. Okay, next up we've got from Botanic Beauty, Botanic, something like that. Nourishing Mascara, volumizing mascara enriched with almond oil and camellia oil. Oh, I've got a lot of mascaras lately. So that's nice. I know someone who's always looking for mascara. That's my sister. So we have, it's in a tube. Yeah, so it's volumizing. So let's see what the wand looks like. That's nice and bushy. And it appears to be black mascara. Does this have a shade name on it? Not that I can see. It's black. So that's good to receive. All right, next up, got this little pack. This is the Good Patch Premium Hemp Infused. Be Calm, time to unwind and decompress. This transdermal patch is complete with premium hemp extract and other natural ingredients. Huh, that's getting a lot more hemp products and CBD products, which is nice. Relax your mind with the Good Patch menthol. When tense, the use of menthol has been known to temporarily relieve minor aches and pains. So you put it on the wrist and you wear it for up to 12 hours. Oh, I'm excited to try this actually. Very intriguing. All right, up next is from Ncla. Oh, that's a really pretty color. This is a nail polish, nail lacquer. We're off to Never Never Land. And it's just a really nice, like kind of iridescent lilac color. What can I paint this on? Yeah, it's a really nice lilac color. That's a nice spring color. I'm painting my nails more often lately because I never ever had top coats before. So I finally bought a top coat and it actually lasts. So who knew? Well, everybody knew. Not me, though. Okay, next up is from Cargo Cosmetics. This is Swimmables Longwear Eyeshadow Stick. Oh, in the shade Sandy Bar. I like eyeshadow sticks just because they go on easily. Let's see what color this is. So that is the outer packaging. And so it's like a crayon. And we'll give it a eyeshadow swatch. It's like a putty colored gray. It's nice. See if it smudges a little bit when you... So it's blendable if you wanted to blend it. So that's nice. And it looks like we have one thing left. All right, our final thing is from LA Splash. I feel like we get this a lot. Like I have one of these upstairs. I don't know if they're the same brush though. So this is an eyeshadow brush set, a setting and defining. I'll probably pass these along because I have so many brushes. So they're just minis. And so this is the first one. It's very soft. And then the second one is good for doing your more detailed lines. Okay, so that was that box. So before I look at the prices, I'm going to pick my favorite things. I think this patch, just because I would like to be calm, and I've never seen something like that before. Then the peel-off mask. I love a good peel-off mask. This nail polish color. This is really pretty. Then the mascara. Oh, we got a lot of stuff in this box. Mascara, then the eyeshadow stick, and then the brushes. And so now let's see what our value is. All right, so the nail polish is a full-size item and it is $16. The mascara, also full-sized, $19.90. Freeman Beauty, full-size again, $4.99. Oh, that's really reasonably priced. Cargo Cosmetics eyeshadow stick, also full-size, $20. Product, maybe I didn't get this one. This Good Patch is an extra treat, and one patch is $12. Wow. And then product may vary. It says I was supposed to get this swell, but it looks like instead I got these two brushes. So the swell was valued at $19. I don't think that that's what this is valued at. So it's going to be hard to find out prices, but we'll give it a try. All right, so with this included, it was $91.89, which is probably one of the higher value boxes I've got. Yeah, I liked this box. I liked it a lot. I can use everything. I probably won't use these just because I have a ton of full-size brushes, but I'll pass those along. But everything else I will be using, and that's where you get your value if you're actually going to use it or not. So yeah, definitely would recommend this box. So this is April's, even though it's near the end of May when I'm filming it. But my actually my May box has been delayed a couple of times, but that's understandable with what's going on. So yeah, at least I have this box to open. So thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day, and if you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing, you can click like down below, and you could click here to subscribe, and there's more videos here and here. And I hope you have a great day. Thank you.